One second, there's music playing.
That's road rage.
No, I was honking because you're on your phone and I needed you to get off so that we could travel smooth.
Okay, so sometimes I'm required to be on my phone.
All I can see is this.
911 call. That's none of your business.
All I see is a driver impeding traffic.
Beeping a horn at a vehicle is called road rage.
I wasn't angry at all. I wasn't even angry.
For that.
We were just letting you know that you're impeding traffic. I wasn't angry.
I'm impeding traffic. I'm stopped at an intersection.
There was no traffic moving and all I could see was a person on there.
How about you pull over your bike and we'll write a ticket?
Well, I'm not trying to argue. I'm just telling you what I saw.
Tell the judge, I was on that phone because I was making a police-related phone call.
It's not my goal to argue with you.
Or anybody else.
Fine. I'll cede to your power. I apologize.
I don't need you to do that. I need you to understand that what you're doing is wrong. I don't need you to concede to my power. I don't have power. I'm doing my job.
Okay.
And I have a citizen.
I apologize.
With me right now because you're in a hurry.
I'm not in a hurry.
I saw you hot dogging it down